If you're a hustler on the go, chances are you need a point-of-sale system that can keep up. Something portable, easy to use, and, well, doesn't require you to be tethered to a wall. That's where the Clover Mini comes in. But here's the question. Can this mighty mini POS system function without Wi-Fi? The answer, like most things in business, isn't exactly a straight yes or no. So, buckle up, because we're diving deep into the world of Clover Mini connectivity. First things first, let's talk about setting up your Clover Mini. Out of the box, this little powerhouse needs internet to activate. Think of it like a smartphone. It needs to connect and download all the latest apps and security updates before it's ready to roll. This initial activation process establishes your Clover account and gets you synced up with the Cloververse. That's a term I just made up, but you get the idea. Now, once you're activated, can the Clover Mini become a Wi-Fi warrior, slicing through transactions offline? The answer is yes, with an asterisk. Here's the deal. While the Clover Mini can process payments without a constant internet connection, that ability comes with a time limit. We're talking 7 days, folks. 7 glorious days of offline sales freedom before your Clover Mini starts politely reminding you, "Hey, buddy, it's been a while. Maybe connect to the internet and let's sync up." Why the 7-day limit? Well, without a web connection, your Clover Mini can't verify things like card validity or update inventory in real time. Think of it like working on a local copy of a spreadsheet. Sure, you can make changes, but those changes won't reflect on the master file until you connect again. So, while that week of offline sales is a lifesaver at a farmer's market with spotty reception, it's not ideal for a brick-and-mortar store. But wait, there's more. The Clover Mini is a connectivity chameleon. While Wi-Fi is the most common way to go, it also boasts Ethernet and even cellular data capabilities, with an optional paid plan, as backup options. So, even if your Wi-Fi goes down, you can still connect to the internet through your Ethernet cable or turn your Clover Mini into a mini mobile hotspot with cellular data. Talk about having your bases covered. Here's the bottom line. The Clover Mini offers impressive flexibility when it comes to internet connectivity. Need to activate and get set up? You'll need Wi-Fi. Want to process payments on the go for a week? No Wi-Fi, no problem, but keep an eye on that 7-day clock. Running a business with potentially unreliable internet? Ethernet and cellular data are your backup best friends. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep hustling, Wi-Fi or not.